In this video, I want to show you how to sew pocket pattern that every seamstress should learn. After determining the size of the pocket opening, place a rectangular piece of fabric with appropriate dimension on the pocket. Take a small zipper and measure the length of the metal part of zipper. Because opening of pocket that we want to sew must be size of the zipper, I use a piece of paper to measure. Now we sew the same amount. The weight of the pocket opening should be the same as weight of zipper. Now open inside of sewn rectangle with a pair of scissors and cut its corner to the end. Now we completely return the cut piece of fabric. At this stage, we should place the zipper under the pocket opening and sew around it. Sew a piece of fabric that is flat on one side and rounded on other side over the marked area. We sew the opposite side in the same way. Here we sew these two parts together. Our pocket sewing is finished. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like it and leave your comment. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video.